Hi everyone, I'm Lauren from A Menagerie of Stitches. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a double crochet stitch. A double crochet is worked very similarly to a half double crochet stitch, but with a couple added steps. A double crochet is abbreviated as DC. This is a fairly easy stitch to learn, and if you need to, you can always adjust the playback speed of this video if you need it to be a little bit slower. To begin, yarn over and insert your hook into the stitch, going underneath both loops. Yarn over again and pull through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and you'll have 2 loops remaining. Then yarn over again and pull through those remaining 2 loops. And that's a double crochet. Let's do that again. Yarn over, insert into the stitch, going under both loops. Yarn over again and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2, then yarn over again and pull through 2 to complete the double crochet. And that's how you make a double crochet. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials and free patterns. Happy crocheting, friends!